I love instant ramen, and if you're like me but looking for a healthier alternative, you're going to love today's recipe. It's one of my all-time favorite quick meals that's so good and easy to make. And the best part, you can make it in one pot with ingredients you probably already have at home or use up those leftovers in your fridge. Plus, you don't get the bloat or the puffy face after eating. So let's get started with my healthy alternative to instant ramen, this delicious one-pot noodle soup. First, we're going to make a simple mayo mixture that's really inspired by all the ramen hacks you see all over social media. Start by mincing 1 tablespoon of garlic, and we'll use half of this garlic now and set the other half aside for later. Next, chop 1 sprig of green onion. Mix half of the minced garlic and green onion with 1 tablespoon of Kewpie mayo, and then set this aside for later. It's really key that you use Kewpie mayo because if you've had it, then you know it's the king of all mayos. But you can also substitute it with 1 egg yolk too. Now, let's move on to the noodle soup. Heat up some oil in a pot over low to medium heat. I like this clay pot because it doubles as a serving dish. Add the leftover minced garlic, some chopped onions, carrots, and 1 teaspoon of gochujang paste. If you like it spicier, you can add up to 1 tablespoon of gochujang. Then pour in 600 milliliters of water or 2.5 cups and add half a tablespoon of yondu, or you can also use 2 teaspoons of dashi or dashida powder. Then add half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix everything together and taste the broth, and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Now add any leftover meat that you have. I love having frozen seafood and vegetables handy in my freezer for instances like this. Today, I'm gonna add tofu, clams, and spinach. Next, add your noodles. I'm using dried egg noodles that come in small bundles like this, and they take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook, but follow the instructions on your noodle package. When the noodles are done, mix a few tablespoons of the hot broth into your mayo or egg yolk mix. Now add the mix back into the pot and stir well. Trust me, this step makes the broth incredibly creamy and luscious. Finally, add some sesame oil and sesame seeds to taste. And now you can eat your delicious noodle soup straight from the pot and you don't have to wash another bowl. I hope you all try this recipe and like it as much as I do. The depth of the flavor in the broth, the lusciousness of the mayo, combined with the hearty noodles and frozen ingredients make this dish a real winner. It's like a warm, nourishing hug in a bowl. I'd love to hear from you, so please share in the comments below your favorite instant ramen. Mine are Ichiban, Shin Ramen, and Indomie. If you want more food videos like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of them. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye!